Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video today, I'll be sharing with you my makeup of the day, which is quick and easy. This makeup look, I was winging it a bit, but I love the mauvey look of it, which I think is pretty nice for this time of summer and also very easy to achieve if you'd like to recreate this look. For this makeup look, I won't be using any primer today because I'm literally going out with my friend for lunch and back home. So I'm gonna start off with my moisturizer. I absolutely love this moisturizer. This one is from Neutrogena. It's their water hydrating gel and I just find it so soothing and nice on the skin. I like starting off my makeup with my brows because I just like to add a bit of shape to my face, and I always use this Maybelline brow pencil. It's really good at defining brows and super pigmented. I use it in the shade Black Brown. Then I'll outline my brows using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. I will go in with this Catrice Lash Brow Gel just to keep my brows in place. I will then prime my lids with the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the shade NW45 just to ensure that the shadows show up on my lids when I apply them. I'll set my lids with a translucent powder from Mercier in the shade Medium Deep. So to warm up my crease, I'll be using the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette, and the first color I'm going to be using is like an orange brown. I'm just going to go from the inner and outer corner and blend it all over my crease. The second shade I'm going to use is this red color just to warm up my crease a little bit more. So for my next shades, I'm going to be using the Patricia Bright palette. I'm going to apply No Drama over my lids just for a base color. I'm going to apply this Maybelline Anti-Age Concealer under my eyes just to cover all the dark under circles that I have and to also cover all the spots and acne scars. I just find this concealer light and breathable and I love using it, especially during the day. I'm then going to use the Lancôme Teint Idole foundation in the shade 14. I really love this foundation because it wears quite natural, and on top of that it feels light on the skin, and it also comes with SPF, which is super important. I'm going in with the Nars Creamy Concealer just to highlight under my eyes a bit, on my chin, a bit on my forehead, and a tiny bit on my nose. It's one of my favorites. To set under my eyes, I'm going in with the Laura Mercier powder in Medium Deep. I am then going back into the Patricia Bright palette and adding brown sugar on top of my lids. Then I'm going to take the MAC Crayon pencil in the shade Stud just to add a bit of soft definition above the lash line. I'm also going to take the same pencil and just run it into my waterline. As for bronzer, I'm going in with the Hoola bronzer in the shade Toasted to warm up my skin a bit. To be honest, it's not my favorite because I need a darker shade, but for now, I'll just make it work. I'll also be applying lashes today, and this lash is from Eylure and it's their Luxe Cashmere lash. It's quite short and fluffy and it's alright, I like it. I am then going to take my Colossal Volume Mascara from Maybelline just to add volume to my bottom lashes. I'm going back into the Patricia Bright palette and I'm going to put my brush in Icon and just pop it into the inner tear dot. To outline my lips, I use the MAC pencil in the shade Plum. Before I finish off the look, I'm just going to add MAC Mineralize powder. Then I'll take the NYX in the shade Orange just to fill it in. And then I'm going to just spray it all off and fix it with the Urban Decay All Nighter spray. And that is the makeup look of the day. I find this makeup really beautiful, light and quite girly, and I'll definitely be wearing this more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video, and I see you guys in my next one. Bye.